school has started here in Lowndes County, and high school football season is just a few weeks away. Columbus High School is hosting its very own community pep rally this evening. WCBI's Quinton Smith is live at Columbus High with more. Quinton?
That's right, Selena. I'm here at Falcon Festival. Now, this event is just getting underway, and people are still pouring in, as you can see. Now, this is a community-wide pep rally, and the theme behind today's pep rally is Feel the Movement. And Selena, I tell you, I can definitely feel the movement, and so can everyone else that's here along with me. Now, during today's pep rally, there's music, food, games, and people will also be able to take pictures with the Columbus High School football players. Now, in the midst of this rally, the Columbus High School cheerleaders and the Columbus High School drumline will be the special guests. Now, this event will go on until 8 p.m., so there's still more than enough time for people to still come out and join in on this fun. Now, this event was supposed to be held outside, but it's now held inside at the Columbus High School gym due to rain. And so with that, I now toss things over to WCBI's meteorologist, Isaac Williams. So, Isaac, how's the rest of the evening going to look?